My people, he don't set oh, all set to go, my people, not be small matter. As I dey talk to now, my people, one that the Geo and on me tamo. No be small thing, oh my people, things they happen. Matter the grand, oh my people. Hey, God, oh. Hey, what can they happen? I don't know whether na empty now we can't do. Oh, I see this man, so one that they sleep for my screen here. Now Daddy Geo. Oh, I see all this cage, these gallons when they grand here. Now oh yeah, red oh yeah. Now it be this one. So my people, men I guess what they inside. As they open this thing, my people, I was shocked to lies. Waiting they inside na igbo. Now this man of God pack put for inside this jerry can. Use red oil, take me go this, you know, rubber. He just package and wella. My people, he can't they push this thing go bodo ibo. As they push and go abroad though, now so that they catch this man of God. My people, not be smarting. The man of God be one make camo. Yeah, no be smarting. No be ordinary person now. Now man of God that the Geo. Now they do this kind of a thing. I wonder oh, they go break. He go still climb altar. Go they prophesy. Go they tell congregation say the Bible say this. Don't be still. Don't be do this. Don't be. Thou shall not steal. Thou shall not stole. On I understand. Things they happen, my people. Understand? Say things they happen. Things really they happen. Oh, that the Geos don't they put hard for wuru time. Waiting all they clear. Waiting all day pure. That the Geo want to fly private jets. I will say they not catch this that the Geo now. Say he succeed now. He constant this thing go obodo yibo as he package and now they be one shift and go obodo yibo. Say this thing pass now. That the Geo they go break. That the Geo go first buy Venza or Range Rover. You go reach like a year now that the Geo go still buy private jets. Another year you go still buy 2 private jets plus the tithe when the members they give and the offering. My people, not be smart, things really they happen. Things they happen, they go break. This one go they be able say, I be Daddy Geo, I be man of God. That they use Jesus, they play anyhow. That they use God till they play anyhow. I don't understand some African pastors, all these Nigerian pastors, some of them, my people, they're not clear at all. Their way not clear. my people, now yeah, now I want for leave on. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao.